U.S. President Donald Trump was sworn in more than 555 days ago, and 365 of those days, he and his campaign have been under investigation for allegedly working with the Russians to taint the 2016 general election. Trump and his loyal base have had enough. The president tweeting, "Congratulations, America. We are now into the second year of the greatest witch hunt in American history, and there is still no collusion and no obstruction. The only collusion was that done by Democrats, who were unable to win the election despite spending far more money." His critics aren't backing down.
I would say to the president, it's not a witch hunt when 17 Russians have been indicted. It's not a witch hunt when some of the most senior members of the Trump campaign have been indicted.
Special counsel Robert Mueller launched his investigation in part after the firing of former FBI Director James Comey.
It's my judgment that I was fired because of the Russia investigation.
Trump's former national security advisor Michael Flynn pleaded guilty and is reportedly working with investigators. Top officials with Trump's campaign, Paul Manafort and George Papadopoulos, are under indictment, as are 17 Russian nationals.
We want to see this thing come to its conclusion, but again, I've always said he should be free to finish his job. You don't think it should be accelerated? It's been a year.
Trump's own Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, frustrated the president by refusing to weigh in. Sessions has recused himself from the entire matter. So far, as many as 20 White House officials have been interviewed by Mueller, and Trump and his campaign have handed over more than 1.4 million pages of documents.
Any fair-minded citizen, even the most ardent partisan, should be able to look at the facts and say that this investigation is not a witch hunt.
Former New York mayor and now Trump attorney Rudy Giuliani says he has been told Trump will not be indicted, a matter already up for debate. And the real fireworks may be in the future. Trump hasn't been interviewed by Mueller, but the president says he would love to talk if he would be treated fairly. Sean Caleb, CGTN in Washington.